No legitimate reward app has no minimum age because companies that pay real rewards must follow payment rules, privacy laws, and their own terms of service before allowing users to redeem earnings. By the end of this video, you'll know why no minimum age claims are misleading, and which legitimate reward apps are worth considering once you're eligible to use them. The first app is Wii Free Cashin. You can earn rewards by completing game offers, surveys, and other online tasks. Before creating an account or redeeming rewards, you should review the platform's eligibility requirements because they include age and regional rules. Next is NDI's Wagbucks. The platform rewards users for surveys, shopping, game offers, and promotional activities. It's a legitimate rewards program, but it also has account eligibility requirements that users must satisfy before participating. Third is InFetching. Instead of surveys or games, Fetch rewards users for scanning shopping receipts and purchasing eligible products. Like other established reward apps, it has its own account rules, including minimum age requirements that vary according to its terms. The fourth option is YJCash Giraffe. Android users earn rewards by playing supported mobile games. Although the app is easy to install and use, users still need to meet its eligibility requirements before redeeming rewards. The fifth app is IdJustPlayin. You earn by playing games from the app's library and redeeming available rewards through supported payment methods. The platform also requires users to comply with its terms of service, including any age restrictions that apply in their country. Here's what many videos don't explain. There is a big difference between downloading an app and being eligible to receive rewards. An app store may allow someone to install an app, but the rewards platform can still require users to meet a minimum age before creating an account or requesting payment. Payment providers may also have their own age requirements that apply even if the app itself accepts younger users in certain situations. If you're below the required age, don't create an account using incorrect information. Reward apps regularly suspend accounts that violate their terms, and that can result in losing any rewards you've already earned. The better approach is to check the app's eligibility requirements before signing up, make sure you're allowed to participate in your country, and choose a platform with clear rules and transparent payment options. If this comparison helped clear up the confusion, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best legitimate reward apps to use in 2026.